Hi guys, Tyler Morris with MarineMax Houston. Today I'm on this brand new Grady-White 326 Canyon. So you can see next to me this boat has twin Yamaha 350 horsepower outboards. We do have joystick activated at the moment, helping keep us in place while we're doing this walkthrough. Stepping off of the swim platform and into the cockpit area of the boat, you see we've got a huge insulated plumbed fish box in the center. Next to that on the port side, you've got a nice live well. So you've got rod holders along the transom, nice combing bolsters along the back, your port side dive door. You'll notice this one doesn't have a rear seat, and that's because this has the newly optioned rear mezzanine seat, which is a super awesome feature. Got room for 2 people, center armrest, cup holders, rod holders. Reach behind here, turns into a nice tackle prep station with additional storage below. Under my feet, you'll see we've got a nice door for bilge access. You got your batteries, your seacock valves, and this is also a great place to store your ladder for that port side dive door. Last thing before we go up to the helm, you'll see we do have a nice retractable sure shade and additional rod holders up on the T-top. Up at the helm, you've got a nice blank slate for your Garmin displays. You can throw huge displays on here with plenty of room. You see we've got our Yamaha Helmmaster set up with the electronic shifters, joystick, and your engine control screen. Next to that, you've also got your autopilot controls. On the port side of the helm, you've got nice physical rocker switches with this awesome carbon fiber style backer plate, your Fusion audio control, and then your trim tabs are right below the steering wheel. In front of that helm station, you see you've got a nice oversized head compartment. You do have additional rod storage down in there. You've got a storage door up on the front side of it, and it is plumbed with sink, toilet, counter space, all of that. Now that we're up at the bow, you'll see we've got a nice forward-facing seat that could be 2, maybe 3 people wide. And then you've got this huge area that with the cushions removed could be a great casting platform, but with all these cushions in and the center fill in, it turns into a great hangout space while you're underway or hanging out at the sandbar. In front of that, you'll see we've got a couple additional JL audio speakers. Where I was sitting on both sides, you've got fantastic plumbed storage. And then as you make your way up, you've also got this huge anchor locker access. The additional access to get down to your rope and chain is actually down below this piece that flips up, which makes it super convenient if you're trying to untangle your anchor line. Once again, my name is Tyler Morris with MarineMax Houston, and if you're looking for a Grady-White like this, give us a shout and we'll be happy to take care of you.